How to add the UV Index Weather Widget to the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we go down, then tap on Wallpaper and Style. Next, tap on the left-hand side panel. And in here, tap on the widget panel right here. And then I'm going to remove some widgets here to make space in the panel. Next, we go down. And then we tap on Weather. After that, tap on the UV widget. That will be added to your widget panel up here at the top. And then tap on the Done button at the top to save the changes. Finally, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now, if you press on the side button to go to your lock screen, you can see the UV Index widget will be added to your lock screen. You can tap on that for more information. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.